implement. The protest has been initiated by employers' associations in tourism to voice discontent at the Oscars.
Et j'avais très envie d'écrire sur des... C'est oft und Brüder und Schwestern.
Лето на его концерты, будь то в Гонконге, Матинковке.
organizando
처음 들으면 매력이 있는데 여러 수십곡을 계속 이어서 들으니까
እቲ ኣብ ስዊዘርላንድ ዝመነበሩ ኣህጉራዊ ዘይመንግስታዊ ማሕበር ኬር ብዛዕባ ምስጓግ ኣብ ሶማል ዝነበረ
with the most popular items and push it to as many users as possible, but when it comes to medical science and essential
seguire faccio diverse le comunità isolate.
سلطان وحتى
Well, I don't know if you'll make it this far, a 3-minute band scan. As you can see, this radio on the telescopic antenna picks up really well. I'm very pleased with it. I had time, a month or so, more than a month, to play around with the Lextronix S350DL. And it's a basic shortwave radio. Beautiful sound coming out of that large speaker there. Operates on 3 AA batteries, and I got 5 hours, 4 AA batteries. I got 5 hours on those AA batteries, and as you can see from the indicator, it's still full. It works even better with a long wire antenna. Anyone who bought this radio, most likely, I'm pleased with it, and I'm kind of picky about radios. And I really like the 12-24 hour feature there because I can set it. I can set the time for UTC, and it stays on UTC 1732 UTC. And a lot of the digital radios they have problems when you set the time of UTC. I don't know why, or maybe it's because I don't know how to set it. Maybe I'm too stupid to operate it. And I don't think it has any memories. It may, and I just don't know about it. But I don't care about memory anyway. I don't store anything in a memory. Volume control, bass and treble works great. The RF gain works good. The only problem I said before was this. sloppy wheel, but there is a fix for that. If you actually pull these off, you can see there's a large hole around this spindle. You can press probably a small rubber grommet in there, and it would take care of that problem. So it's the tuning wheel. It's actually metal. It's not plastic. It's metal, and that's really nice. And then it just pushes right back on, and it's a good little radio for the money. $60 or $70, something like that, according to where you buy it from, Amazon or eBay or whatever. I think mine was 67 euros. I think you'd be pleased with it. I am. It's fun. It's a good radio to have out in the field. It's got a really heavy-duty antenna and a carrying strap, which is pretty handy with a radio this size. When you do put 4 D batteries in it, it makes it kind of heavy, but that's okay. And it has a switch inside the battery compartment for AA's or 4 D cells, and you have to remember to switch that. And it also has an external power supply, but I never use those because I found they all make noise. It has a line in and out on the side. I'm not going to turn it and show you because it's too cumbersome to mess with the camera to get it focused. But it has a line in and a line out, and which means you could connect it to an external speaker. And it has 2 antenna jacks, one for cable and then one to accept your long wire and short wire. It's the clip type with the red and black clip types. I don't really like that, but it's manageable. You could, if you want to hook a SO239 up, you could probably do that. But I wouldn't fool with it. It's not worth it. It's a great radio to take on vacation with you. Out in the field, you'd have fun with it. And I'm pleased with it so far. And it's as good a portable as for the money you can get, I guess. I wouldn't compare it with the XH Data, of course not, or even with the ReadyWow. I wouldn't compare it with that because this is a bigger radio. It's a little different class, same price range, but a little different class. And it's just a nice radio. So I thought I'd revisit that, give you a band scan to show you that it does receive well, and it's pretty sensitive. Okay, well, with all that said, I'll let you go tonight. Have a nice weekend. SignalHunter said that, and we're out.